Bulb-on incident 1. When you are attending one of your friend's marriage, there is a person who is in a drunken stage, making a big hangama, spoiling everybody's happiness, talking unparliamentary words. When you are trying to console him, you are being got insulted, humiliated. You felt that you have been stripped off by the question what he asked. He asked you, who are you? What right you got to correct me? When you are struggling to answer that, some of your friend who was a drunkard came in between and took this fellow away and started talking. Within 5 minutes, that person kept quiet and everything became normal. Then you realized when you are trying to teach something, when you are trying to talk about something, you should be thorough about that subject. You should be a subject expertise. Otherwise, your words will not be recognized. Bulb-on incident 2. When you are working in a company as a general manager for a marketing company, digital marketing company, which is having a training division also. One day you are with a client, suddenly you are getting repeated call from your MD saying that in the training, trainer has not come, 35 students are waiting for trainer, why can't you come and manage? You said, I'm a marketing guy, how can I manage? Then he is telling, marketing and training is almost similar. Marketing, you are trying to sell the goods, training, you are going to talk about the services. Even though you have faced a lot of crowd, you have climbed a lot of stages, you have participated in a lot of debates, you doesn't have a stage fear, but when it comes for a training, you got a little bit shiver. With the shivering, you took up the challenge and entered into the training room, started training. Within few minutes, you gained the confidence because of your experience. And you are seeing that the confidence is reflecting the people who are watching your training, the people who are participating in your training. Everybody is gaining confidence, everybody is interacting, everybody is feeling happy. You don't know how you have passed the 2 hours. Everybody is happy, and at the end, everybody stood up and given a great applause to you. That made you to think that you can also control people by talking 2 hours. Bulb-on incident 3. You are traveling to your hometown to attend a marriage. Through that marriage, the new entry male wants to know each and everybody of your family member. Since everybody came on that particular marriage day, participated in marriage and moving, so he couldn't have a time to interact. So he requested everyone by creating a WhatsApp group and said all other family members should write about one particular family member on one day. He has made a small arrangements. So everybody started writing. When your turn comes, one of your siblings who is in abroad, he said that my elder brother now is into mentoring, but he got this caliber, capacity, idea, interest even 25 years back. When we are in Chennai, that time, before marriage, he used to bring a lot of books of Napoleon Hill and Dale Carnegie, and he is introduced to so many other self-improvement topic people to us. We thought he is going to take this path, but unfortunately he has gone to a different path and now he is back. Bulb-on number 4. When you are coming back to your official place after the marriage, you are meeting one of your colleagues who worked with you 25 years back. After initial chatting everything, when the talks turn about the present career, he is asking what you are doing. You are telling you are into mentoring. Then he said, hey, come on man, you should have did this very long back. You got surprised and I asked, how can you say that? For that, he is recollecting some of the incidents which has happened in those days. Who are working in a shrimp export company, there will be a lot of quarrels between the laborers and labor contract, suppliers and the company supervisors, supervisors and the production managers, production manager and the material suppliers. Wherever the problem, you will be the first person to go and stand there and sort it out. This has been remembered by your colleague and he is saying that day itself we recognized you, you have a very good communication, but I don't know why you have not realized that, why you have not continued that. So, with all these 4 incidents, which made me to become a mentor, particularly for middle income group, I am Tarun K. Menon, mentor for middle income group.